buy Bitcoin and just don't sell. Just don't sell. Are we good? Awesome. Okay, so what is happening is that we are very busy preparing for our exchange launch. You can go to our website today and register for the closed beta, and our community will actually get to use it next week. So everybody's really busy. And obviously with everything that is happening in Hong Kong, we have a big chunk of team working on it remotely, but it ain't stopping us. Yeah, look, we're all about building the entire ecosystem, right? So once you come to crypto.com, it doesn't matter for a debit card or for an interest earning product or for a loan or to simply buy crypto with fiat, you should stay forever. Like, we don't want to give people any reason to leave our ecosystem. So we've seen in the data that some people were occasionally transferring coins out to exchanges, and we thought, okay, that doesn't make any sense, right? We can just retain our users and acquire more users by providing everything you need in crypto space. And the exchange itself is powered by CRO. We will increase the liquidity of CRO. It's going to be, all the trading pairs with CRO. You will be able to stake CRO to get lower fees, deep liquidity on the platform, fully secure. So I think it's an absolute win-win for us and the community. There is also the syndicate that we're launching, and every single new coin that is going to be listed on crypto.com exchange is going to have a limited events where we are selling coins at a discount, so up to 50%. So if you are a CRO stake holder, I think that's a phenomenal deal. And if only for this, it's already worth to open an account at crypto.com exchange. We have an announcement coming up on this in the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned. In terms of the distribution of the airdrop CRO, there is an announcement regarding the logistics, how precisely we're going to do it. You're going to see it in the next week or two. I mean, we have a great relationship with Binance, and they are a very successful exchange, so I guess they will continue going from strength to strength. We are very collaborative in terms of our approach to the ecosystem. We don't think that companies in this space should focus on competing with each other. Instead, we should come together and figure out how we can expand the size of the ecosystem. This is the approach that we believe in, and that's how we execute. I mean, look, we've got now fiat in for 21 currencies. So all the major currencies are basically covered. And we have a number of ongoing conversations in terms of adding more fiat in and fiat out channels across the globe. So fiat is our core competence with the Visa card, with our focus on compliance, with our relationships with large banking institutions. So you can expect us to have growing coverage and be one of the leading players bridging the gap between fiat and crypto. Any more utility? Well, if you look at our roadmap that I just presented, right, we are continuing with the global rollout of the MCO Visa card. The APEC cards just began shipping. We've got EU cards in production as we speak, so they will ship to customers in January. We've got deals with issuers in Canada. We're working on a deal for Latin America. So this is going to be a global rollout, and as we scale the size of our card business, there's going to be, of course, more and more demand coming for MCO. Now, I want to make it clear that there's plenty of benefits that the MCO token holders are going to get from the expansion of entire ecosystem. So, for example, we are going to launch a non-custodial wallet next year and connect it with the card. So people who want to have custody of their own coins and hold their own private key, they will be able to do it. But they will still be able to connect to our Visa cards, right? So just because we're expanding the ecosystem doesn't mean that any coin is left behind. Well, we just announced that we'll open it to our community next week, and you're going to see a full public launch in December. So it's basically ready to go. We're very excited about it. And most importantly, for the syndicate, we will have a very aggressive calendar of new projects being listed. I think people don't fully appreciate the value that we bring with this approach to all quality blockchain projects. So now you no longer have to pay any fees for listing your coin. Instead, all the proceeds from a token sale go back to the project. I think this is just excellent. And at the same time, they get to strengthen the utility of their own coins. So you can now spend it on the card. You can use it as a collateral for instant loans. You can earn interest on it. You can have it fully supported on the crypto.com pay chain, right? So it's just such a great value prop. And the syndicate is how we are going to drive users into the platform, keep them engaged, and create a win-win value for both the projects and the community. Eventually, yes, but we start with a small subset of coins, less than 10, and we will gradually but aggressively list more digital assets. Okay, how does a coin get listed on crypto.com exchange? It's actually very simple. You just go to our website and there is a lovely form, or you can follow us, our founding team, on Twitter and just ping us directly. We are very responsive. We look at all the projects that apply, and we pick the ones that are good. Another way to do this is simply attend these type of events. We're always around. We're very accessible. And again, for us, this is not a way to generate fees, right? So I think we treat all the projects very fairly and transparently. Yeah, I think we are in a pretty good place as a company. We've got a very strong team. The culture is strong. The value proposition for the users is clear. Where you can see, the whole ecosystem is growing, double-digit every month. So I think we're in a good place. We just need to keep our heads down and execute and listen to the feedback from our customers. And I think we can do great things for crypto industry as a whole. Is that a real question?